Hey guys, Dean De Silva from Watt Realty. Excited to bring you a 3-bed, 1-bath immaculate low set in a whisper quiet street of Aspley. Welcome to 16 Petanne. Let's check it out. With multiple living areas, this home is perfect for those who love to entertain and have friends and family around. This home is the perfect opportunity for first homeowners, downsizers and investors. As you can see, this one isn't going to last long. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.